House. That will be the state's smallest federal delegation since the 1850 census. Illinois also loses a congressional seat down to 18. With more on what that means for the region is News Channel 5's Ryan Dean. He is here with our political analyst, Ryan.
Okay, thank you very much. Folks, you may be sitting at home wondering how this affects you. Before we get Dave Robertson's opinion on that, first let's hear from St. Louis Mayor Francis Slay on Missouri losing a federal representative.
A loss of a seat would not be good for Missouri. Of course, we'd have one less representative in Washington representing the state of Missouri. And the impact that it has on the city all depends upon how they redo the districts. And there's some speculation on how that will be. At this time, it is speculation.
And of course, there's lots of speculation going on right now. So with both states losing one representative, does that mean somebody who's currently elected will be out come 2012?
They will either be out or they'll have to run against some other incumbents. So one way or another, a couple of incumbents in Congress now are going to be out of a job.
Now it all boils down to what, the redistricting, the new map that's going to be out there, correct? Explain that a little bit.
Absolutely. The census and the law requires that each state redesign its districts every 10 years, and it allocates districts among the states differently depending on the number of people that have either been added or subtracted from different parts of the state and across the states. That new map has to be done within each state by their own laws and their own processes.
Now, we're hearing there's some rumblings out there that this could mean Russ Carnahan and Lacey Clay, that they could be squaring off because their district, one of theirs, might disappear or be merged together.
This can be a pretty partisan process in most states. In this state, we have a Republican legislature with big Republican majorities. They will be aiming here in Missouri to redraw the lines to protect their incumbents and possibly to take out one of the Democrats. The most obvious opportunity is to put Clay and Carnahan in the same district.
Well, thank you so much. You know, we're going to have a lot more at News Channel 5 at 5 and 6. And right now on KSDK.com, we're getting lots of reactions as far as people releasing statements. We're going to post those on KSDK.com. Kay, we'll send it back to you.
All right. Thank you, Ryan. The mayor